everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another squishy package for you, and today's squishy package is actually from Gearbest. They got in contact with me a couple of weeks ago now and asked me if I wanted to do a squishy package from them. Of course I said yes, as obviously I like to open different packages on here from cheaper sites to see what it's all about and see if it's kind of legit. I suppose I've done Banggood, I've done eBay, who else have I done? I've done someone else, TomTop, and yeah, I figured now was the right time to do another one. So when Gearbest got in touch, I was like, yes, perfect timing. Now, you're probably wondering, I'm wearing yellow instead of pink. But I actually got this from Gearbest because I knew I was going to be doing a video for them, and I figured I'm going to need a jumper. So I bought this one and it says banana split, and I just think it's really cool. It costs like £11 including delivery, which I think is just insane. It's also so comfy, so yeah, I'll leave the link to that in the description below along with the squishies. So this is the huge package. Hold on, let me check my address on this side. Yeah, this is the package that I got from Gearbest. I have already opened it because, as you know, I spend so much time like fiddling around my scissors and stuff, so I figured I would just open it and yeah, let's just get started. So the first squishy that I have is this peach one, and I was actually super excited for this to arrive because, as you know, I thought I ordered a jumbo one before from the eBay one, but it came mini. But this one actually came, look at the size. So yeah, here's this squishy. It just squishes so well. Oh my god, it actually smells quite good as well. It doesn't smell like peaches, but it smells really sweet and really nice. It's nice and slow rising, and yeah. So the next one from the package is this little milk carton. Oh, it's got a face on both sides, that's cute. For some reason it's come like double bagged. Oh my goodness, this is so sweet. Have a squish of this one. Again, super slow rising. This one is much softer, like look, just touching it kind of gives a good indent. Here's his little face and the little waffling along here. I just think this is so adorable, and yeah, oh my goodness, it actually smells, it's scented, it smells like you know those sweets you get, those strawberry milk bottles from Pick a Mix. It smells exactly like that. Oh my god, I love those sweets. I'm gonna get some Pick a Mix. So next I have this squishy. This is just a sushi squishy. Open this up. It just looks like this with a cute little face and then little detailing on top. It's also got like these little seeds all the way around the outside. Let's just open this. How sweet is that? If there's one thing to know about me, by the way, I absolutely love sushi. I love eating it. The other day when I hit 60,000, I went and bought myself a big tray of sushi, and it was so good. But that was my treat. That was my 60k party to myself, having some sushi. So yeah, there's that one. By the way, all of these were so super affordable. I did check out the website beforehand to make sure of all the prices and stuff. So I know they change from time to time and with currencies and exchange rates and stuff. So I'll leave the link to all of these down in the description below, so you can go check them out in your own currency and stuff like that. But the delivery and stuff from them, I can't fault it. Nothing went wrong. It arrived within about a week to me, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, here's the next one, is this little donut. As you know, I actually got a blue one of these before. I think it was from TomTop. Yeah, and this one is just the exact same but pink. Actually, like, the paintwork on this is really good. Like, can you see that? Like, really good quality. And the squishiness of it. We're doing well on this haul, aren't we? Finger indents, just what we like to see, and yeah, a cute face, so can't go wrong with that. Next we have this little guy. That seems to be sealed, but I have my scissors. And this is just, oh my goodness, this is adorable. Oh, it smells. It's so good. Oh my god, what is that? Like chocolate? Coconut? Something like that. This smells so good, and how adorable is that? Last time I called my squishy like Millie the Whale, even though I know Millie the Whale is a narwhal. So we're just gonna call this one a narwhal for, you know, that. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. This is so cute. Again, squishiness of it is just great. If you're wondering why I like squinting like that, by the way, the window's right behind me. So I'm actually looking right at the window. It's really hurting my eyes. The colours on this are great. Like, that's so neon. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like, it's quite close to the colour of my nails, but this is really sweet. There's like no defects on this at all. It's got a little heart indentation on the bottom. This is really nice and really good quality. I'm really impressed. I've got an itch on my eye. So next up I have this little jellyfish. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, this is so adorable. Look at that. I haven't got one like this. I haven't even seen one like this before, actually. Oh, yeah, I'm doing good. How sweet is that? Not only is it so cute, it's soft and slow rising. Just what we like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, this smells good. This is the best smelling one yet. I mean, this smells like sweets, but why do they all smell so good? By the way, is it weird that I go to sniff them even though it says, well, it doesn't say unscented, but who knows? Okay, so next up we have this little guy, and oh my goodness, I know exactly who this is. This is the little polar bear from Sumikko Gurashi. Everybody knows I love Sumikko Gurashi. Definitely one of my favourite kind of cartoony things ever. I love all the characters. I love this squishy. What is this? The only downfall with this, I know, because it's white, it's going to get so dirty. Like with my grubby DIY hands, all my white squishies just die. Especially my alpaca, it's so dirty, it's really embarrassing because I just squish them so much and I always have DIY hands, so yeah. But this is great. This comes on one of those little things you can pop on your bag. I have this, which is like an elongated donut. Kind of in one of those bags that like phone cases come in, you know? Oh, what? Why do these all smell so good? I didn't smell that one. That one doesn't smell. This one smells really fresh. You don't need to know the smell, you just need to know the squish. Top my hair on. But look at that, that's really sweet. Painting's not 100%, so this might be one to kind of decorate in the future. Let me know if you have any ideas. But the squishiness of it is really good. It's so soft. It's almost as soft as that milk bottle one. That is definitely the texture I prefer. I prefer them when they're like just start melting in your hand with a little tiny touch. That's definitely what I prefer. But this, super cute. I can keep saying, super cute. Next up are these little pea pods. I say little, I mean these are huge. Peas anyway. These kind of remind me of the little guys from Toy Story. I absolutely love Toy Story, but yeah, here's these. Oh, they're dense. Real dense. That's actually quite hard to press that. The green bit's softer. Let me give you a little close up a second, but it's really dense. It's something that's really hard to show on camera, like dense and like softness, but these are super cute. I just say that about everything, but they are. They're cute. It looks like Rilakkuma in a chicken costume. I look like I'm in a chicken costume. Or a banana split, one of the two. Yellow's definitely a colour that I wish I could kind of pull off a little bit more, because I feel like dark hair and yellow always looks good on people, but for me I just don't think I'm cutting it. But look at this! We're twins. We're twins. This is so cute. This kind of reminds me of that little Rilakkuma donut I did on my decorating squishies video the other day. Oh, it's soft and it's slow. Oh my goodness, this is definitely the most slow rising one that I've had in this whole haul. Look at that. What? You can't, let me smell it. Oh, it just smells good. It just smells like lightly perfumed, but this is so sweet. I absolutely love this so much. This has to be my favourite so far. Look at the slow risingness of that. You can just destroy it and it just pops back. This is insane. I love this because it matches my outfit. Okay, so what I'm seeing now are just some small ones. I am seeing some more Sumikko Gurashi. So, you know, you guys must know that I love Sumikko Gurashi. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what this guy is, but I think he's like a little penguin from Sumikko Gurashi. There's like the other ones in here, which is the cat. Oh my god, let me open it. Oh yes, the cat with the little weed, and then the penguin with the tapioca. As you guys know, I love the little tapiocas. I think they are adorable. My favourite is the ebi fry from Sumikko Gurashi. Again, they don't smell, but the ebi fry, and I've just seen something in here which has got me all excited. These are my two favourite characters. The pork cutlet, holding it, baby ebi fry. Look at it. Focus on that, not me. Look. As you know, I made a plushie of it, I made a squishy of it, I made a charm of it, I made whatever you can think of made of it, I've made of it because I love it. And I also love this pork cutlet. Now this one is actually a different texture to all of them. Like, what? This one is complete different texture. Like, can you see? Like, this one feels like more of a sponge, whereas these ones feel like the really, really soft squishies. I don't know how to explain it or like what they're made from, but the really soft ones, whereas this one here just feels like a foam one. That's kind of disappointing, but these are my two favourite characters, so I can't argue with it because I love them. Okay, so I just got two left right at the bottom of this bag. Isn't that so sad? I'll bring out the orange one. And this is scary. It's a scary pumpkin. Can you see it? Can you see it? A scary, scary pumpkin. Oh. Oh. It smells like tarts or something. You know, like desserts when you get like a pie or like a strawberry tart or a custard tart. It smells like that. Like butter pastry. One thing to know about me, I'm not keen on butter. I'm not keen on any type dairy unless it's chocolate. Like if it's milk, no. If it's cheese, no. If it's butter, no. I can't stop smelling it. It smells, oh my goodness. This, if you like the smell of butter, which I know a lot of people do, you would like this. It kind of smells like shortbread. Shortbread. Shortbread, that's what it is. This is super adorable though. This would be great for a Halloween DIY, wouldn't it? Definitely needs to be repainted because it's scary. It's not for me, but the shape's cute. Roll on Halloween. Maybe I'll be there this year. Anyway, so the last one is this. I don't know what it is yet. Oh, I know what it is. It looks like those little ones from the website. You know that website, Tofu Cute? Love them, by the way. Always stalked that website for years. Look at this. It's a little tofu block. At least I think that's what it is. That's what it looks like on their site. If it would actually focus on it, that would probably help you out a little bit better, wouldn't it? Come on. Oh. There. No, that's not got it. I'll come a bit closer. Here it is. It's just got a little green top. Oh, it's got a bit bob on my head. Slow risiness of it, squishiness of it is great. Like I said about the bottom being white, my fingerprints are already showing up on that because I've just been filming a DIY for you for tomorrow. But anyway, I love it. Super, super cute. I do actually like the little tofu things. That I made a money box of that like 2 years ago or something. I don't even know if it's still on my channel. I might have like deleted it, but this is cute. And that's all of my squishies from this haul. I think that was actually really successful. Like I said, all of them were super, super cheap. Sorry, I'm just looking at them all. They're all like all over on the floor. Look, here's some. Yeah, like I said, they're all super, super cheap. I would really recommend them. I was always a bit apprehensive to order from like foreign websites and everything, even though they were like 10 times cheaper. I've always been a bit apprehensive in the thought that they was going to steal my money or something, but to be honest, I've not had a single problem so far with any of the websites that I've purchased from or got sent a parcel from or anything like that. Like I said, I have purchased from Gearbest myself, but the squishies were gifted to me. I would always give you my full honest review of any products that I ever get gifted or anything like that. Like with my duct tapes the other day, I buy them constantly, except I still wanted to let you guys know that I got some given to me. So yeah, that was this squishy haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like any of them, then please check out the links in the description below, as it does take quite a lot of time to kind of list them all in the description. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you all have a lovely end to your weekend, and if you're in the UK, have a fab bank holiday Monday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!